Hi all, hoping you all are doing good. So today I am back with another video that is mental immunity. During these tough times, hope everyone are doing good, facing the challenges in spite of happiness, but hoping good days are on the way. Prayers and strength to the families who lost their family members. Be safe, help the needy according to your strength. This is the time to show our humanity. Stay home, stay safe. So, mental immunity means our mind's ability to cope with whatever life throws it. It means staying strong, analyzing the situations, understanding the pain and problem, and striving to solve it without getting disturbed or destroyed. My dear friends, how maturity is important. Nowadays, people are saying that we are fighting a battle against COVID 19. But according to me, everyone are fighting a battle around them right from their birth to their death. Imagine a human life without light, sound, and in darkness for a while. For a while, it's okay, but can you survive for hours together? No. Then remember how you are born through grown up as a human being. A baby, when it's in the mother's womb, no light, no sound, no wind, nothing. They have to take everything from their mother's intake, maybe food, water, etc. Every human being survives there in the womb and fights the battle of 9 months to come out and see this beautiful world. This corona is a little thing which we can overcome if we have a little knowledge and a bit of care towards you and your surroundings. Never stop doing things. Everything is a battle in your life. Fight and win over it. Don't be afraid, whereas the greatest battle you won already in your life, that is your birth. Nothing much hard here to win in this beautiful world. Believe in yourself. Being optimistic doesn't mean that spreading positivity and being good to the people who are good to you, but it's about spreading care, affection, and lots of love to your haters too. This changes their attitude towards you and encourages them in positive vibes. This is the use of being optimistic. So, finally, what I want to say is, you people, please take care of your family and your loved ones. Take care of yourself. Sanitize your hands for every 20 minutes or for every half an hour and maintain social distance. Please keep a mask, and you can't be able to withstand the pain when something happens to your loved ones because of this corona. So we cannot underestimate anything. So first of all, in the first wave, the corona is a little bit weak and our immunity is strong, but the second wave is so dangerous that it's destroying a human being even if they are strong. So taking care to yourself, and don't be panic when you are tested positive. Just take care of yourself and do little exercises, yoga and workout, and just have some spices which are good for corona, example ginger, clothes, etc. So just take care of your family and stay safe at your home. If there is an urgency, then only you go out. Please don't underestimate anything. Never, we can't expect what will happen in future. Not only this, everyone are saying that in newses also we are seeing that a family is lost within a month of time because of this COVID. But I have faced already a situation that I lost 2 of my family members just in a period of a month. That is not during this corona pandemic, but it's 2 years ago. So I have already know the pain, and it's my own experience. When you lose your loved ones, you can't tolerate the pain. You cannot get them back. So please take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones. Please stay home and stay safe. Finally, ending with a good quote that You will get what you work for, not what you wish for. Always strive hard for what you need. Falling down is an accident, but staying down is a choice. So you have to imagine yourself in always in high standards, and you have to achieve those standards with your hard work. Thank you all.